Good day to you children. Previously, we learnt about pair of linear equations in two variables and finding their solutions by plotting their graphs, which was also known as graphical method of solution for the pair of linear equations in two variables. In today's class, we will be learning about the algebraic method of finding the solutions. Originally, there are three methods. In your syllabus, there are three methods. The first method is known as substitution method. Here, we replace in between the variables. Suppose we have x and y variables in our two equations. Then here we replace either x or y variable in one of the equations with the another variable. This is the substitution method. And the second method is elimination method. As far as I have seen, elimination method is considered to be the easiest method, but I think all the methods are easy. So the second one is elimination method. Here we eliminate either x or y variable. We delete one of the variables from the equation to find their solutions. And last method is cross multiplication method. As the name itself suggests, we cross multiply the coefficients of the given variables and cross multiplication method and find the solutions. So, among these three methods, due to the COVID pandemic situation, you know that your syllabus has been reduced, and because of that, both substitution and cross multiplication methods have been deleted from your syllabus. So whatever algebraic method or whatever method we are going to use to find the solution for any given equation is going to be only the elimination method. We are going to use only the elimination method to find the solution for the given pairs of linear equation in two variables. So how does this work? Consider the example x plus y is equal to 14. Name this as equation 1. And x minus y is equal to 4. Name this as equation 2. So now to find the solution by elimination method, we are going to multiply the coefficient of the variable which you are going to eliminate. For example, here I am going to eliminate x from my equation. So the coefficient of x in first equation is 1. So I will multiply second equation by 1. And similarly, the coefficient of x in the second equation is 1. So I will multiply 1 to the first equation. So now rewrite the equations. 1 into x, x. 1 into y, plus y. 1 into 14 is equal to 14. This is equation 3. Similarly, 1 into x, 1. 1 into minus y is the answer, is equal to 1 into 4. 4. This is our equation 4. Now, subtract equations 3 and 4. We'll get x plus y is equal to 14. X minus y is equal to 4. So, subtracting, since we are subtracting, the signs at the bottom will change. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus, and once again plus will become minus. So x minus x cancels out, y plus y, we get 2y, which is equal to 14 minus 4, 10. Since 2y is equal to 10, 2 ones are 5s are. Y is equal to 5 is the answer. Now put this in either of the equations, either equation 1 or 2. I'll put it in equation 2. Put this in equation 2, you will get the value of x. Equation 2 is x minus y is equal to 4. So this implies x minus 5, because y is equal to 5, is equal to 4. This implies x is equal to 4 plus 5, which is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9. Therefore the solution, the required solution to our equation was x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. This is the required solution. So this is elimination method here. Now consider another two sets of equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. So here let us eliminate y this time. So first, coefficient of y in equation 1 is 3. Multiply 3 to equation 2. Similarly, coefficient of y in equation 2 is minus 4. So multiply minus 4 to equation 1. So now rewriting the equations, minus 4 into 2 minus 8x minus 4 into 3 minus 12y minus 4 into 11, which is equal to minus 44. Similarly, 3 into 2, 6x, 3 into 4 minus 12y is equal to 3 into minus 24. 2's are 3 4's are 12, 2 1 carry, 3 2's are 6, 7. 72. Now let us subtract them. Name them as equation 3 and 4. Subtract 3 and 4. What will we get? First, the signs will change. Plus will become minus. Minus will become plus, and once again minus will become plus. The signs of the terms at the bottom part will change. Only at the bottom, not at the top. So minus 8 minus 6, we get minus 14x. Minus 12 plus 12 cancels out. So this is equal to minus 44 plus 72. 2 minus 4, 8. 12 because it is 12 minus 4. 6 minus 4, 2. So it is 28. So now x is equal to 28 by minus 14. 14 ones are 2's are, which is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 is our solution for one of the variables. So now put the value of x in either of the equations. So let us choose equation 1. Put the value of x in equation 1. We will get 2 into minus 2, because it is 2x. 2 into minus 2 plus 3y is equal to 11. So this on simplification will become 2 minus 2 minus 4 plus 3y is equal to 11. So now on simplification we get 3y is equal to 11 plus 4. This implies y is equal to 15 by 3. 3 ones are 5's are, which is equal to 5. Therefore y is equal to 5 is the value of the second variable. Therefore x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5 are the solutions. So this is the elimination method to find the solutions for pair of linear equations in two variables. Now, so the very first solved example is the ratio of incomes of two people is 9:7 and the ratio of their expenditures is 4:3. If each of them manages to save rupees 2000 per month, find their income. Here they have told us that two people have an income. Solution: two people have an income of 9x rupees and 7x rupees. Because they have been given in the ratio, so 9:7 can be represented as 9x and 7x. Similarly, let the expenditures, then if they earn 9x and 7x rupees respectively every month, then their expenditures are 4y rupees and 3y rupees be the expenditure, because how much they are going to spend will be the expenditure. After they get, say, about 9x rupees, then they spend 4y from that, then the remaining, both people manage to save exactly rupees 200. So savings is always income minus expenditure will give you savings. So this implies 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000, the first equation, and similarly 7x minus 3y is equal to 2000, because both of them managed to save rupees 2000. So now let us solve these two equations algebraically using elimination method. So here let us eliminate the y variable. Here in the first equation, the coefficient of y is -4. So multiply -4 to the second equation, and similarly in the second equation the coefficient is -3. So multiply -3 to first equation. Now rewriting the equations, -3 into 9 minus 27x, -3 into -4 plus 12y is equal to -3 into 2000 minus 6000. This is our equation 3. Similarly, the second equation, -4 into 7 minus 28x, -4 into -3 plus 12y is equal to -4 into 2000 minus 8000. This is our equation 4. Now subtract equations 3 and 4. We get first, the signs will change for the terms at the lower part. So plus will become minus and minus will become plus. So now -27 plus 28 we will get x only, 1x. Plus 12y minus 12y cancels each other. So this is equal to -6000 plus 8000 we will get 2000 rupees. So we are only supposed to find the monthly incomes, and since the monthly incomes correspond to our x variable, finding x is enough. If you want to find how much expenditure they both do, then you can find the value of y. So now, since we are only concerned with finding their income, finding x was enough. So therefore, for first person, his income is rupees 9x, which implies 9 into 2000, which is equal to rupees 18,000, out of which he spends 4y times he spends from this and saves 2000 rupees, which means he spends 16,000 rupees. Similarly, rupees 7x for the second person, his income will be 7 into 2000, which is equal to rupees 14,000. Here he earns 14,000 rupees and saves 2,000 rupees. That means he spends about 12,000 rupees every month. So these are the incomes of the persons. If you want to find the expenditures, then put x in equation either 1 or 2. Here I am going to choose equation 1 once again. So we'll get 9 into 2000 minus, because it is 9x, minus 4y is equal to 2000. So it is 18,000 minus 4y is equal to 2000. This implies minus 4y is equal to 2000 minus 18,000. Transposing plus 18,000, it will be minus 18,000. So this implies minus 4y is equal to minus 16,000. This implies y is equal to minus 16,000 by minus 4. Minus minus cancels out. 4 ones are 4 fours are 4,000. So y is equal to 4,000. So multiplying y with, first to find the expenditure, the expenditures are 4y and 3y respectively. So multiply or substitute y 4,000 in place of y, and you will get the total expenditure by both the persons. So this was the solution to our equation using elimination method. Now the second question is, use elimination method to find the possible solutions for the equations 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. This is our first equation, and 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. This is our second equation. We are to find the possible solutions for these two equations using elimination method. So here let us eliminate x variable. So coefficient of x here 2, multiply 2 to equation 2, and coefficient of x here is 4, so multiply 4 to equation 1. Now rewrite the equations. 4 2s are 8x plus 4 3s are 12y is equal to 4 8s are 32. Similarly 2 4s are 8x, 2 6s are 12y plus 12y is equal to 2 7s are 14. So now subtract them, name them as equation 3 and equation 4, and subtract them. We'll get, first the signs will change, plus will become minus and minus will become plus. Here everything is plus, so everything will be minus. 8x minus 8x cancels out. 12y minus 12y cancels out each other, so 0 is equal to 32 minus 14, 8 and 1, 18, which is not possible. Which is not possible. Thus, the equations don't have a solution. If you plot these equations, then you will get parallel lines in that graph. So that's why these equations are inconsistent. They do not have any solution. In the third solved example, the sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is 66. Suppose your two-digit number is 12. Take 12 for example, and then you reverse the order. You will get 21. So adding them, you will get your answer to be 33. So they have done something like that here. The sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is 66. If the digits of the number differ by 2, then find the number. So solution, let the digits are 0 to 9. The numbers from 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, they are known as digits. combining these digits in different orders will give you different numbers. So let the digits be, since they are two different digits, let the digits be x and y. So now we are supposed to find the value of x and value of y. Also they have told us that if the digits of the number differ by 2, that means we'll get our first equation here. X minus y is equal to 2. The difference between the digits is 2. This is our first equation. Now use the first information to form another equation. The sum of a two-digit number, since we are talking about number, then since it is two digit, then one digit will be in the ones place and the other digit will be in the tens place. So it can be written as, then the number is 10x plus y. For example, if you are writing 12, you will write 10 plus 2 because it is 10 into 1 plus 2. Alright. Similarly, if you are writing 22, then you will write 10 into 2 plus 2 because 10 2s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. Similar way, the number is 10x plus y. So now what they have done here is the sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits. First the number is this, then they have reversed the order. 10y plus x they have done. So that is, the sum is, that is 10x plus y plus 10y plus x is equal to 66. This implies 10x plus 10y plus x plus y is equal to 66. We'll get 11x plus 11y is equal to 66. Either you can reduce the equation or keep it as it is. I am going to reduce the equation here. Divide the whole thing by 11. Divide by 11. We'll get x plus y is equal to 6. This is our second equation. So now let us use the elimination method. In elimination method, I am going to tell you a shortcut here. See here, the coefficients of x in both the equations is 1. Similarly, in the y, the coefficient of y, here it is plus 1, here it is minus 1. Either you can, since the coefficients are same, you can directly add the equations or directly subtract the equation. There is no need for you to multiply the coefficients once again because you will get the same thing. So here I am going to directly add the equations. Add 1 and 2. We'll get x minus y is equal to 2 and x plus y is equal to 6. Since we are adding, there will be no change in signs. We'll get x plus x, 2x, minus y plus y cancels each other, and 6 plus 2, 8. So this implies x is equal to 8 by 2. 2 1s are 4s are, we get 4. So here x is equal to 4. Put in either of the equations, so I'll put it in equation 2. Put in equation 2, we'll get 4 plus y is equal to 6. This implies y is equal to 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. Therefore, y is equal to 2. So our number, the digits are 4 and 2. These are not the numbers, these are the digits. Our number is 10x plus y. So this implies 10, value of x is 4 plus value of y is 2. Applying BODMAS, first multiplication then addition. 4 tens are 40 plus 2 will get 42. So the required number is 42. Here we have used elimination method itself, but since the coefficients of the variables are same, we have directly added them. Even if you subtract, you'll first get value of y, then you'll get value of x. There is no harm. If you want, you can multiply 1 to equation 1, 1 to equation 2 for cancelling x, or multiply 1 to equation 1 and minus 1 to equation 2. You will eliminate y and get the value of x. You can do that too. There is no harm. This is the shortcut method for solving the equations by elimination method. Now moving on to exercise 3.4. Since they have deleted substitution method, exercise 3.3 has also been deleted. So in exercise 3.4, the first question says that to find the solutions of the given set of equations by using first elimination method and then by using substitution method. Since you are not going to learn substitution method, you can skip that part. You have to find the solutions for the given equations by using only the elimination method. So in the first main question, the first set of equation is x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So now here the coefficients are not same, so we'll have to multiply. I'm going to eliminate x here. You can try doing this by eliminating y. So for eliminating x, multiply equation 1 by 2 and multiply equation 2 by 1, because coefficient of x in first equation is 1, so multiply 2 by 1, and coefficient of x in second equation is 2, so multiply the first equation by 2. On rewriting the equations, we get 2 into x, 2x, plus 2 into y, 2y is equal to 2 5s are 10. This is equation 3. And similarly, multiplying the second equation by 1, nothing changes. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. This is our fourth equation. Now we are going to subtract them. Subtract. So what happens here? First the signs change. Minus, plus, minus. So 2x minus 2x cancels each other. 2y plus 3y, we get 5y, which is equal to 10 minus 4, 6. So y is equal to 6 by 5. This is the value of y. Put in equation 1. We'll get x plus 6 by 5 is equal to 5. This implies x is equal to 5 minus 6 by 5. Taking LCM, we'll get 5 5s are 25 minus 6 by 5, which is nothing but 19 by 5. So value of x is equal to 19 by 5. So these are the required, this is the required solution. Y is equal to 6 by 5 and x is equal to 19 by 5. So in the second question of the first main, we have equations 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. This is the first equation, and 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. This is the second equation, and we are supposed to solve these equations using elimination method. So pause the video and solve these equations. You should get value of x must be equal to 2 and value of y must be equal to 1. This should be your answer. Similarly, for the third set of equations, that is 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. These are the two equations. two equations. Here you can just put 2y to the left hand side. It will be 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. This is the second equation, the same thing. So if you solve these equations, then your solution must be equal to where x is equal to 9 by 13 and y is equal to 5 by 13. You should get these values for x and y. So these two sets of equations you are supposed to solve now by pausing the video. So moving on to the fourth set of equations, that is fourth set, x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1. This is the first equation. And then x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. This is the second equation. Here let us eliminate y variable. So in the second equation the coefficient is minus 1 by 3. So multiply by minus 1 by 3. And in the first equation the coefficient is 2 by 3. So multiply by 2 by 3. So now rewriting the equations, we'll get minus 1 into minus 1 by 3 into plus 1 by 2, we'll get minus x by 6. And this one will be minus 2y by 9, which is equal to minus 1 by 3 into minus 1, we'll get 1 by 3. This is the third equation. And similarly 2 by 3 into x, we'll get 2 by 3x. 2 by 3 into minus 1 by 3 minus 2y by 9, 3 into 3, 9 is equal to 2 3s are 6 by 3. This is our fourth equation. Now let us subtract them. Subtract. So what we'll get? First the signs will change. Plus will become minus and minus will become plus. So minus 2y by 9 plus 2y by 9 cancels each other. Minus x by 6 minus 2 by 3x is equal to 1 by 3 minus 6 by 3. We'll get an equation of this form. So now finding the LCM. LCM is 6. 6 multiply 1s multiply 2s. We'll get minus x minus 4x is equal to, since the LCM are same, minus 3, 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Minus 5 by 3. So minus x minus 4x minus 5x by 6 is equal to minus 5 by 3. So now to get the value of y, let us transpose, leave x here and transpose everything to the RHS. We will get x is equal to minus 5 by 3 into 6 by minus 5. Since it is minus 5 by 6 here, on transposing we will get 6 by minus 5, and because it has been multiplied. Minus 5 cancels each other. 3 1s are 2s are. So x is equal to 2 is our one set of solution. So now put in equation 2 to get the value of y. We will get 2 minus y by 3 is equal to 3. This implies minus y by 3 is equal to 3 minus 2. So minus y by 3 is equal to 1. So on transposing we'll get minus y is equal to 1 into 3, which is equal to 3. Therefore y is equal to minus 3. This is the solution. So x is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3 is the solution, required solution. So your homework for the day is the third question from the second main from the same exercise 3.4. The question is, the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. That is, a two-digit number, then the digits be x and y. Then the sum of the digits is x plus y is 9. That is your first equation. Also, 9 times this number, if the digits are x and y, as I told you before, then the number will be 10x plus y. So, 9 times this number, that is 9 times 10x plus y is equal to twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. So 9 times 10x, 9 into 10x plus y is equal to 2 times 10y plus x. So on simplification you will get second equation, and on solving those equations by elimination method you will get the values of the digits, that is x and y. From there you have to find the number. So this is all for today. In the next class, we'll go through the second main of the exercise 3.4. Thank you.